All right, David Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. I warned you that we're gonna be doing a couple different videos. Today is 3, so we did what we do why we do it. Today, just what sets us apart. So the couple of the things that I am adamant about at what sets us apart from other people is the biggest one is we hire employees, which doesn't sound like a big deal unless you're a business owner that has employees and you know how big of a deal that is. It actually costs a lot of money to have employees, but for us it's a benefit because we can control, I don't say control, it's a bad word. We can have more say in how our business is run. A lot of companies, especially paint contractors, use subcontractors. Subcontractors, you never know who you're getting, who's coming to your house. Our employees are all vetted. They have local, state, federal background checks. All their pictures are on our website. You can see who's working for us at any given day. There's a little bio on the website for who they are, what they've come from, experience that they've had. So we love sharing that about them. We love the fact that they can take ownership of what they do. They have an active part of that job. We give them a lot of free reign. Here's how many hours it takes to do. If you can get it done sooner, that's bonus money for them. The goal is to make you happy as a customer. Warranty is another thing. Cabinets, we give a lifetime warranty. It's not coming off. You're never gonna see that paint peel from cabinets. It can chip, but it will never peel. That's because of our proven process of over 15 years of doing cabinets. We've been trained by the paint manufacturers. We didn't learn on YouTube. We actually had hands-on training by the people that make the paint, what to use, how to use it, and why they give a lifetime warranty on their stuff. And the biggest thing is our reviews and community. You know, we let our reviews speak for ourselves. I think we're at 130 as of today. We have a couple people that didn't give us a great review, but at the end of the day, we fixed the problem, and our goal is, again, to help you love the space you're in, providing that amazing experience. Giving 10% back, we tithe, so it's not just about giving money to the church. Tithing is about giving 10% away to people in need. So like we talked yesterday, veterans, widows, non-for-profits. We actually have a non-for-profit for sexually abused girls in a camp that is run, so these girls are invited. And it's all run by my wife, her daughter, some great other people that come in there, and they just pour into these young ladies to let them know how valuable they are and how much they're loved. So that's one of our biggest things that we give to. But we also, veterans groups, Corbella Clinic, South Elgin, a couple other clinics like that in the area, which I can't remember their names off the top of my head. And helping again with some community groups. We've done a couple rec centers, helping out that way, but just giving that money away back to the community and helping where we can. If you have a non-for-profit that might be able to use our help, or if you know veterans or widows that may need help, definitely give us a call. We want to definitely add them to our list with our D'Franco Days of Service. So that is what sets us apart. Come back tomorrow and you'll see part 4.